Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an IAM user inside your AWS account, step by step in a very clean and simple way. If you are preparing for cloud or DevOps role, or you are learning AWS for the very first time, this is one of the most important skill you must know. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. It allows you to create user groups and permissions so your AWS environment always remains secure. The root account should never be used on a daily basis, so you must create IAM user for yourself or for your team. Now let's get started. Okay, you can search for AWS Management Console. You can simply Google it and you can sign into the console. You have to put on your account ID. For this time, I'm going to use the username and password that I had already created and that had administrator access. You can choose to use root user email as well. You click on sign in, you'll go to the AWS homepage, then we'll search for IAM and you'll get to this page and you click on the users. Then we click on the create user. You give a new username. And along with this, we need to give user access to the console. So we click on this one. You can either select custom password or the auto-generated password, but remember to uh, click on the user must create new password. This time we're gonna add as policies directly. We'll give administrator access this time. You can select different policy. We click on the next and we get the username and permission summary. You can also add tags. Now we create users. You can download the CSV file and can simply share this to the users or the members of the team. Now, when you click on that CSV file, you get all the credentials or URL to the console as well. Now we'll sign out from the account, try signing in again. We put on the newly created user and then we'll put on the temporary password that's auto-generated and it will ask to create a new password as we clicked on user must create new password upon sign-in. So we'll create a new password now. We confirm the password change, then we can continue signing in. Now, yeah, you have access to the AWS console now. This is how you create a new user and how you set up the new password and everything. That's it. If you like my content, do follow and subscribe my channel.